leads. So tons of ways you can find leads. Certainly you can pay for them. Absolutely. You can directly reward for referrals. So you can partner with your mortgagees, lenders, fix and flippers, send them a little ice cream card as a thank you. That's rewarding, not paying for. Um, of course, you can be provided with markets, lists. You can buy an active book of business. That is something that you would have access to if there is a book in your area. And you can always send out mailers saying hi and hello. Okay. You can network for leads. And this means things like using apps. A good example of this would be like the Nextdoor app, letting your neighbors know there is an insurance agent in the area. You can let everybody know on LinkedIn. You can use your social media for professionals. LinkedIn is an incredible place to be able to share that. There is another app called Alignable. This is where business owners can go on, they can share who they are, and they can refer each other. So Alignable is another one that I work with. Rocking your social medias is important. Just a couple of days ago, it was Insurance Awareness Day. I saw all over the place, a lot of agents and I are friends on Facebook, and I saw all kinds of posts. They were sharing Insurance Awareness Day. So another great way to generate interest. You can create your own podcast. You can create your own YouTube talking about insurance. That's a great way to get the word out. Okay. Just being able to talk about your journey, how you got into the industry, how you enjoy writing policies and being the superhero of indemnification. You can partner with local businesses, nail salons, dog groomers. And I always like to think of the old fishbowl trick. You get a little fishbowl from the dollar store, you slap a sticker on there saying, insurance review, this is a drawing for a free lunch. People actually enjoy being rewarded for doing little to no work. Actually, it's kind of fun to watch. Join different kinds of groups. So Facebook groups, attend events, bowling clubs, sewing clubs, nonprofit organizations, and certainly you can volunteer. So meeting new people is imperative. Meeting new people, that way you have access to policies. Let everybody know you're an insurance agent. There's no reason you should be shy about that at all. So get comfortable with saying hello. You can go to classic car shows. Traditionally, when someone has a classic car, they also own their home. They have other vehicles. Maybe the kids are in college, kind of thing. So classic car shows are a ton of fun. I really enjoy those. Open houses in order to meet your real estate agents and different kinds of organizations that you can join. I do belong to organizations. We raise money for the Shriners Children's Hospitals. Not only do I enjoy that, but they all know I'm an insurance agent. So great way to discuss different kinds of things there. However, not too much, right? When you're working with volunteer organizations, you want to make sure that you stay on task for why you want to be there. But it's a good contact to have. And just by being nice, hand your card to strangers, mail birthday cards from your office, but always add a couple of business cards. Ask for referrals. Mr. and Mrs. Customer, if I've done a good job for you, please don't be shy to send your family and friends. I'm certainly here for them as well. Word of mouth is huge. It will always be huge, and it's an organic way. So again, if you're doing a good job for people, they're not going to want to go anywhere else. They're going to want to send their loved ones to you. So just keep that in mind and include your business cards as often as you can. Scatterbomb them. Okay. So yeah, volunteer, get out there, join groups, attend events, let people know, post on your socials. Finding leads, again, is a huge hot topic in the industry. And if you need more coaching on that, please don't be shy. There are packages available online. And if you have already purchased the package, of course, you do have free tickets to the live courses and early entry. So in the meantime, if any questions do come up, support at theinsurancesalesqueen.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and good luck in your sales this week. Bye-bye.